Okay, so we're asked to balance this redox reaction in acidic solution conditions. So here we have, I'm just going to write out the reaction. So S2O3 2 minus plus copper 2 plus goes to S4O6 2 minus plus copper plus. I'm just going to migrate this down a little bit. Okay, so in this case, we can readily identify that copper is being reduced. It's less obvious that this species is being oxidized, but if we consider the partial chart, the oxidation states, right? So on oxygen, it would be 2 minus each. So the sulfur must be being oxidized. But in this case, I don't think it's that easy. Because I think I talked myself into a hole there. Because yeah, so the sulfur. So there must be something funny there with the oxygen charge, but this guy must be being oxidized. So we're going to just split it into our separate half reactions. So again, our copper reaction, our copper is going to our copper plus. And we need to, it's being reduced, but we need to balance our charges. So 2 plus goes to plus, so we need an electron on this side. That way we have 2 plus minus 1 gives us positive on the left, and we have a positive on the right. So the charge is balanced. And then our oxidation reaction, so S2O3 2 minus goes to S4O6 2 minus. And in this case, we want to balance. So the first step in balancing is going to be to balance all the elements besides oxygen or hydrogen. So we're going to need 2 of these because of the 4 sulfurs. And then we can look at the oxygens, and now we have 6 oxygens here and 6 oxygens here. So now we don't need to worry about anything else. We need to balance the charge, so there's 4 negative charge on this side and only 2 on this side, so we're going to need 2 electrons on this side. Now we need to balance our 2 half reactions by the number of electrons. So this one has 2 electrons, this one just has 1, so we need to multiply this guy by 2 throughout to balance the electrons. And now our balanced equation is just by summing these two, canceling the electrons. Then we get 2 copper 2 plus 2 S2O3 2 minus gives us 2 copper plus S4O6 2 minus. And that's our balanced redox reaction. And again, it being acidic or basic doesn't matter here, only because there wasn't spare oxygens or hydrogens. But that's our balanced reaction. So going through the solution, we started with the copper. We balanced these guys. We get our electrons balanced, and then we sum, and we've got a couple swappings in places here. Is it S3O6 or S4O6? Yeah, S4O6. Whatever, it's okay. So the solution is correct. There's just a small typo on the sulfur there, but that's fine.